I'm gonna video this shit. Deep River. You guys have to do some interesting things. You're on video.
Oh, video. Everybody go underwater now.
As soon as I did that, I got on one of those jets that popped straight up. Oh, sorry. My bad. Are you videoing us?
Here we go.
Here it comes.
It's a waterfall.
Get in there, bitch.
Is that there, my face? No.